If you want to unlink your target account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your Facebook app or website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that is linked to your target account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find Target. Scroll through the list of apps and websites until you find Target. Click on it to view more details about the connection between your accounts. Step 5. Remove Target. After selecting Target, you will see an option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice to unlink your Target account from Facebook. Once you have completed these steps, your Target account will no longer be connected to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.